been priming the courts in order to address cases quicker, fairer, with more compassion, etc. So if you are asking for what support we can give to the Ombudsman and the other agencies, you see the judiciary has to remain impartial. At the end of the day, we will have to receive the evidence, and we are hoping that the cases are built up properly, meaning to say that they can discover the evidence, they can effectively maintain the evidence, preserve it, and present it at the proper way, at the proper time. But our assurance is that it is going to be a application of all the learnings in the SPJI, as well as all the programs. When cases are finally filed, not only with the Sandigan Bayan, our regional trial courts will also have jurisdiction over this. So this is the support that we can give. Now, yes, with the instructions of the Court en Banc and the Chief Justice, we are also surveying because there were projects that were included in the budget for some of our halls of justice, which were outside the judiciary's budget. And therefore, for some of them, these were built by DPWH. And as of yesterday, the Justice in charge, Justice Samuel Garland, reported briefly to the Chief Justice, and I witnessed the report, that he is looking at several projects that were funded by some contractors that were listed. But fortunately, most of the projects for now have been built. And we, in order to make sure that we were not shortchanged, we are doing our own due diligence. As far as the Sandigan Bayan is concerned, I hope that all of you will be here by end of October, because there will be a milestone that we will inaugurate. This is the electronic filing at the Sandigan Bayan. They have an electronic court management app, and we are connecting it with the judiciary platform. And I hope that that can also assist in terms of addressing all the cases. More than this, I hope you can forgive us that we cannot speak too much, because we are awaiting the cases that are filed. If any have already been filed, then we will have to process them already. And we just hope that all the institutions of justice, all the pillars of justice will be working hand in hand.